This is my review of a very loud vibrating alarm. It is somewhat flat and is meant to go underneath your pillow to help you wake up. We have power, we have just noise, we have noise and vibrate or just vibrate. Clock, change our time. We have our snooze button. Here's how we change our time. We can change how bright or dark it is. Super great product. And it comes with a charging station. And so we just have these two little magnets. They actually magnetize to help you sit in the right spot. My husband absolutely loves this product. It helps him wake up. He is a sound sleeper. Great product.